Hello knitting friends, welcome back to Jack Knits. Today we're going to learn how to do a different kind of an increase called the knit in the front and the back of a stitch. It's abbreviated KFB and we're going to check it out together. Okay, so to knit in the front and the back of a stitch is a form of a knit increase. It will increase your stitches on your needle by 1 stitch for each knit in the front back stitch you do. So let's take a look at how to do that. Let's knit a couple here. Okay, so now on this stitch, let's say we want to do an increase and we want to knit in the front and the back of the stitch. So let's look at that together. First, we're going to just do a regular type of a knit stitch. Knit, just like you normally would. But before you take it off your needle, we're going to now knit in the back of the stitch. So we're going to now knit in the back of the loop. Okay, right in the back there. See how I'm sticking my needle in the back of the loop? And we're going to knit that stitch and pull it off your needle now. So now in a sense we've taken the 1 stitch and we've created 2 stitches out of it. So we've increased my stitching by 1. Let's look at that one more time. Let's knit a couple. We'll look at it a couple times here. Okay, now let's take this stitch and knit through the front and the back loop. Normal knitting like you normally would. Knit. Do not take it off your needle yet. But now let's twist it around and knit through the back loop. Knit that way, and now pull it off your needle and increase. One more time for good measure. Knit a couple, now let's do another increase. Knit through the front loop and knit through the back loop for another increase. So that's a really simple way to increase your stitching by 1 stitch. You can see where I've done that increase stitching in my knitting. So there you go, knit in the front and the back of the stitch. I hope you found this helpful. If so, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe to receive notifications of new videos all about knitting tips and stitches and creative patterns. Thanks for watching. Happy knitting, everyone.